Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on controller PC. First, connect your controller to your PC. You can use a USB cable for a direct connection or Bluetooth for wireless freedom. Make sure your PC's drivers are up to date to ensure smooth operation. Once connected, confirm your controller is recognized in your Windows settings or through Steam Big Picture mode. This initial setup is crucial for a seamless gaming experience. Now, let's dive into the in-game settings. Open Forza Horizon 5 and navigate to the controller options. Here, you can fine-tune various aspects like steering dead zones, which impact how much you need to move the stick before the car responds. Adjust vibration feedback to your liking for immersive gameplay. Don't forget to calibrate acceleration and braking sensitivity for precise control, giving you an edge on the track. To truly excel, consider advanced controller techniques. Mastering manual shifting gives you superior control over your vehicle's power band, allowing for quicker acceleration and better cornering. The handbrake is your friend for sharp turns and epic drifts, so practice using it strategically. Crucially, develop precise throttle control to maintain traction, especially in high-powered cars, preventing unwanted spinouts and keeping you on the winning line. Finally, let's cover troubleshooting and optimization. Regularly update your controller's firmware and your PC's graphics drivers to prevent common issues. Closing unnecessary background applications can significantly improve game performance by freeing up valuable system resources. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your optimized Forza Horizon 5 experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.